All right, so top of the season, we brought you in. A couple of things that we wanted to work on. We know from a physical standpoint, super strong, super fast. So no issues there, though we need improvement around that, right? Technicals, 1v1s is good. Passing with both feet are good, right? So the mentality around it, yes, you're a super focused player, you want to be higher, right? And this is all the better why we're doing it with you, right? So your mentality, you're, based on what I've seen, good teammate. You're good interacting with me. You're not an annoying, disturbing, rude kid, which is good. Not disrespectful to the goalkeeper, your teammates, referee, parents, none of that kind of stuff. No issues right there. You do take it seriously. As a result, we recruit you from a different club because you want to go higher. So the mentality there, we just want to ask you to add on to that. Let's keep on adding on to that. Physical sense, no issues right there. But under that, on the physical, we want to talk about your endurance. Your endurance have got better, but to the sense where I would like it for it to go to the next level. So we need to use the end of the season to push into next year with that endurance. So the season end, that don't necessarily mean that you take your foot off the gas with your endurance. Endurance, because in games where we're going forward and back, I would like to break you into being a box-to-box midfielder. You get what I'm saying? So that way you are part of the physical aspect of your game touches in, where you are part of the team defensively, which in everybody is, but at times, especially in the last 70 minutes of the game, 70 minutes of the game, we're lacking a little bit. Not just you, but since this interview is really about you, right? We want to make sure that you're taking responsibility. Literally pick that team up and put it on your back. Like, you know what, coach, can we go 5-4-1? You know what I'm saying? Like, you're actually communicating, so you're thinking about the team, the development of the team, the advancement of the team, and you are not so much responsible for the team losing based on the endurance part of it. Did you get fitter? Absolutely got fitter. All right? We did accomplish that, but I need more to excel to the big ECNL level. Those girls they don't play. And there's just some girls are smaller than you, but they still don't play because their mentality is a D1 and post that. I mean, talking about D1, pro, overseas. So this is what you got to use this as a stepping stone, which means you're on the right track, right? From a tactical standpoint, you start off the season really, really rough. Why?
My soccer, like IQ, like I would play like the wrong balls or be in the wrong position.
Right. And so as far as your development, happy that you made a transition with that, because how many times you got kicked off the field and yelled at? A lot, right? So that's that. So we're looking at the beginning of the season to the end of the season. Yes, there's a world of improvement there. Now, one of the other things you want to touch on is, yes, your positioning was right, and secondly, transitioning the ball, switching the point of attack. Switching the point of attack was not happening with my midfield, and you were the culprit, the biggest culprit. That obviously is gone, right? So we're not only switching, but we're looking to play the ball forward and be involved. That I don't see that as much, even though you're doing it, right? Yes, you're switching to your 7-2 and 11-3. Even dropping back to your 6 as well. So you're playing that true compass kind of responsibility or role, where the compass goes north, east, south, southeast, whatever. That's what you want, right? But I also want you to move those balls though, not just pick up the ball from one side to the other and pass it, but pick it up and run with it. So if you say, so as a number 8, whether you're playing 8 or 10 and you're moving towards the 7 or 11, you're literally asking them to interchange with you. Does that make sense? Because I'm not passing you the ball. I want to keep that ball for a reason. So if I move across you now as the 10 and you're the 7, I move across you, I can do one of your fancy passes that you like to make, where you roll the ball behind and you take the position and go. Does that make sense? So this is where the creativity side of you comes in now, which I don't want to change, I want to encourage. But the big thing for me is endurance. you're not an unfit kid, but I want ridiculous fitness. I want you to, you're so fit that you can play 2 90-minute games in one day. That won't happen, but I want to be able to do that based on your fitness then. Make sense? Cool? Questions for me? No questions? Good. Okay, cool. Thank you so much. All right.